Oh, why hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is O Come Little Children on Viola tutorial step-by-step walkthrough. Alright? So, this is song number 6 in Suzuki Book, Viola Book 1. Okay? This is a controversial one because it's easy for some people and it's tricky for others because it has two techniques. Okay? So let's talk about these two techniques that are new that kind of present some difficulty for beginners. Okay? So, the first one is 2 up bows in a row. What? Okay, here we go. Get your instrument up, and let's do it together. Okay. So we have D string 1 and 2. Okay. Get those ready. D 1 2. Okay. If you kind of plop them down, you can hear their notes ringing. Okay. Here we go. That's how professionals do it. They kind of just put their fingers down like that. Here we go. So at the tip, can we do D2 up bow to the halfway point? Then drop your elbow to the A string and then now short up O A. You see that? So we did wah and then wah. Okay, let's do it again. D 1 2 up bow to the halfway point. Short A and up again. Okay, one last time. Short A. Okay, that's it. All right, so we got that. Okay. You'll see when it comes together in all the end after you do pizzicato, the bows should make more sense. Now, it's time for the tunnels. Okay, so tunnels, what are we talking about tunnels? Okay, so we have a lot of switching back and forth between D and A string in this song, okay? No G or C, okay? Just back and forth, D and A, D and A, okay? So here we have open A, but then what we have to do a lot in this song is fingers on the D string while keeping the A open for ringing. So you can't lean over and touch. That's what happens a lot. If we're touching the A string when we're putting our fingers down on the D, this is what you'll hear. Like thud, thud, thud. We don't want that, okay? So what we need to do is create a tall archways over the A string, okay? So that's why when we're doing positions, I would say straight wrist. Okay, straight wrist like that, and tall fingers, okay, like little arches or little umbrella handles, okay, really arching over and creating a tunnel over that A string so that we can have it ring cleanly, okay. Now, the reason why we do this, I know it's like, why don't we just lift up our fingers? This is such a pain. The reason why is it's a lot of hopscotching, this song, if we have to lift up every single time we play the A string, okay, and then come back to the 2 and 3. What happens is if we just play with these tunnels, our fingers will look like this. It's just really quiet rather than that. Okay? So try this technique. If you have to, you can do the hopscotching, but it's not ideal. This song really wants you to get that tunnel technique to be, pretty well learned. So let's practice the tunnel technique, okay? This is I think going to be easier than you think, okay? Let's do guitar style, okay? So we have D, A, D. Let's pluck that. Okay? Put your first finger down, lean away from the A string, and do 1, A, 1. Okay? And if you have to squidgy around, if you hear any of that stuff, no, it should be clear A. Okay, keep your fingertip as tall as possible. See, it's fingertippy, not flat, none of that, tall, okay? And then lean towards the G if you have to. Okay, now here we go. Second finger, okay, 2, A, 2, keep your 1 down. Okay, again, squidgy if you have to, back and forth here. Good. Then now, above and beyond, we're going to do 3. So 3, A, 3. Okay? Okay, there we go. So do that. Give that a practice. Let's try it up here in position, or in playing position. Okay, so D, A, D. 1, A, 1. 2, D, 2, A, 2. 3, A, 3. Okay, if you can do that, it might take some practice, but if you can do that, you're set for this song, and the obstacles will just like dissipate. Okay, so ready? Okay, so now that we got our two techniques, the double up bow and the tunnel, This song has 4 lines, okay? So the good news is that line 2 is an echo of 1. Whoa! So we only have 3 unique pieces of music to learn, okay? So here we go. Line 1. A is our starting pitch. Here we go. And all of the A's are open, and then all of the fingers that you're going to hear in line 1 and 2 are going to be on the D string. So here we go. A, to A, to A, 3, 1, 1, 2, A. Okay, so that's it. So I kind of went on. So let's do the plucking. All right. So get your 1 and 2 ready. Okay. Or I'm going to show you how it works. So the 1 and 2, and you can pluck along with me. Here we go. We're going to start with the A. So A, and then 2, A, 2, A, then 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay, that's it. So let's give it a try up on top. Okay, 1, 2. Ready, go. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay, go back, practice it, get it to be awesome. Okay, let's do it again for the line 2. It's quieter. Okay, here we go. Same thing but quiet. Ready, go. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay, let's put that together. Lines 1 and 2. So loud and then soft. D1, 2. Get ready. Go. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay, ready for line 3. Okay, now line 3 is going to have what we call a crescendo. It's going to get, we're soft still, we're quiet, and we're going to get louder until the end of line 3. Okay, so it's going to be 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so that 1 at the end is on the A string. That's our only note on the A string in line 3. Okay, so everything else is D string. Let's sing that again. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, on the A string. All right, fine. Let's try plucking that. Okay, so we're gonna start quiet and get louder and louder as we go. Here we go. And 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Gives us confidence to get to that 1 when we are loud, right? All right, so let's do lines 1, 2, and 3 together. Let's try it, okay? As we build it all together. Here we go, beginning, and A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2, echo. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2, crescendo, line 3. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, last line. We're going to continue loud on the A string from that 1, okay? It's going to be 1, A, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 1, D. All right, so the beginning is going to be, half of it is going to be on the A string. 1, A, 3, A, and then 2 is going to be D string for the rest of it. 2, 3, 1, 1, D. Let's try that together, okay? So be confident with your plucking. Ready, starting with A1. Go. 1, A, 3, A, G string, 2, 3, 1, 1, D. Okay? And you can kind of relax at the end. There's a slight decrescendo, which means get softer at the end of that line. Okay? So let's do lines 1, 2, 3, and 4 together. And the song has a repeat. I know, are you kidding me, right? Yes. So we have 8 lines of music. Let's try it. Okay? The good thing about this is, don't think of repeats. I always tell my students, don't think of repeats as being drudgery and like torture. Think of it as another opportunity to get it better or get it right, okay? Because usually the first time there's always something that kind of irritates us and we're like, I wish it was better. Well, do it in the second time, in the repeat. Take that time to really improve. So rather than get down and be like, oh, I'm so tired already, think, positive and think that you're going to improve on that repeat. Okay, so repeats can be a blessing in a way. Okay, it gives us a chance to learn but also improve. Here we go. Ready? 1 and 2 on D. Go. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Crescendo. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Last line. 1, A, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 1, D. Repeat. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Crescendo. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, A, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 1, D. Okay. Yeah, that was good. My fingers are worked out there. Exercised. All right, now it's time for the bow. Okay. Here we go. Get your bow ready. Make sure it's good. We're going to start in the middle on the A string. So middle of the bow, right there. Okay, middle of the bow. All right, here we go. So it's going to be A, so up, down, and we have to cross over back and forth. So mind your elbow to take you to the D string, but don't go too big. It's just going to be this movement there. Elbow, 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 elbow. So we're just kind of doing this. Or, okay, so back and forth. You can practice that kind of seesaw to kind of get the elbow levels correct, okay? And as you see, it's not very big, okay? Most people go way too big and then they get the G string. Yeah, small elbow, drop and raise, okay? Here we go. Line 1, okay? Well, let's do lines 1 and 2 together, okay? So we get that idea with the echo, okay? And we get to practice our double up bows, and I'll tell you where they are. Here we go. And up bow. A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Here's our little up bow A. Repeat. A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. You got that? Okay? So that's where our double up bows come into play. And then into line 3 and into line 4, we also have the little up bows, okay, leading into the next part. 2, 1 is going to be up, down, okay? So let's do lines 1, 2, and 3 together now, okay? So, and I'll lead you through those up bows. Here we go, middle of the bow on the A. Ready, go. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo, up bow A. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Up bow third line, 2, 1. Here we go. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so with that, we have to remember that, you know, echoes, all you have to do is use tiny bows. Really use small bows, and, you know, you're going to naturally take the weight off, and it'll just be like really quiet and perfect, okay? Piano. To do the crescendo, just use more bow, okay? So as we're getting 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Really kind of feel like you're flapping, like a bird flapping your wings. Whenever I'm playing forte, I think I'm always like, I gotta stay afloat. Keep flapping, okay? So, line 4, okay? So let's add line 4. So what we're gonna do is the up bow, 1A, leading in. So up, down. Here we go. From the beginning, let's add line 4, okay? And why not let's add the repeat on this one too, okay? And you can always go back and practice and replay. Here we go. So here's our total beginning to end with the repeat play through. So middle of your A string. Here we go. Ready, or middle bow on the A string. Ready, go. A, A, 2, A, to A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Tiny up. A, to A, to A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Crescendo up. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Up. 1, A, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 1, D. Repeat. Up. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Up. A, 2, A, 2, A, 3, 1, 1, 2. Up. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Up. 1, A, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 1, D. Okay. That's it. That's it. If you made it, congratulations. If not, go and practice again. This is not an easy song. All right. If you are ready, though, I'll see you next in the playthrough, slow and fast. All right. See you next time.